Everybody, today I'll show you how to set up VPN on your MacBook. First of all, let's open App Store and search for KeepSolid VPN Unlimited. It's the service I'm using on my iPhone. KeepSolid VPN Unlimited. Click download and wait till it's downloaded. As you can see, they also have some special streaming servers for Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer and others. So besides going anonymous and encrypting your traffic, you can also enjoy some unrestricted videos. So click open. If you don't have an account, you need to create your account, and I already have one. So I click here, enter my email and password, and log in. To start VPN connection, you just need to click Start. Connecting for the first time, you need to allow adding VPN configurations. So you can see this message. Although it says something about filtering your network activity, you don't need to worry at all. It's a standard system message and it's standard for many VPN providers, and you can rest assured that none of your online activities will be filtered or monitored. They are all private. So you click Allow and wait for the connection to be established. You can see your real IP and virtual one. So now your online traffic is encrypted and you're completely anonymous. If you want to learn more about KeepSolid VPN Unlimited, check the link in the description. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you and have a nice day.